Hello, my name is Scott Kofod and I am Principal Scientist with the Cargill Salt Group. And the challenge that I would like to share with you today is to develop economical winter road maintenance products that reduce the environmental impact of de-icing. So by way of introduction, you may know of Cargill as a global food company. Our corporate mission is to nourish the world in a safe, responsible, and sustainable way. Now, I work for the Cargill salt business. And salt, of course, is a common food ingredient, but salt also helps nourish the world indirectly by helping keeping transportation open in the wintertime through the use of road salt de-icing. And it's very, very effective at this. Studies have shown that the use of road salt reduces traffic accidents caused by winter storms by 88 to 95%, and it reduces injuries by 85%. There's also enormous economic benefit. The cost of having a state shut down in transportation for just one day by a winter storm has been estimated to be between $300 and $700 million. So the business within Cargill that sells de-icing products is called Cargill Road Safety. And our mission is to protect lives and enhance commerce by providing sustainable winter road safety solutions. And sustainable is the operative word for this challenge. Pretty much all industries face their own unique sustainability challenges. For road salt de-icing, that main challenge is the environmental impact of chlorides. So we are always looking for new ways, better ways to de-ice that will have less environmental impact, be more sustainable than conventional road salt de-icing. And that's what we would like your help with this challenge. Now, here are a few limitations on scope to help you, narrow you in. Any solutions we look at should have similar effectiveness to road salt, but be more sustainable, have reduced environmental impact compared to conventional road salt. And we cannot sacrifice road safety in any of these solutions. These solutions have to give us a road that's at least as safe as with conventional road salt de-icing. And of course, there are also cost restraints. We would like to keep the cost to within about 4 times the cost of the conventional alternative product, or 4 times the per treatment cost of a typical road salt application. So here are some possible approaches that you could think about. A solution might be something like alternatives to salt. Different chemicals that have reduced chloride or no chloride. It could be alternative ways of applying the de-icer to the road that are more efficient and thereby require less chemical. It could be alternative types of pavement where the pavement itself resists bonding to snow and ice and thereby needs less chemical or no chemical. It could be completely non-chemical approaches to removing snow and ice from the road, or it could be approaches to diverting or collecting the salty runoff from roads and prevent it from getting into the environment. So those are a few ways you might think about or start approaching this. Others may occur to you. We are very open to any ideas that you might have, and we thank you very much. We look forward to them.